You are...
Hi, fans of JMGO. I'm Eric Hu.
Who?
H-U Hu, Eric Hu.
Who?
I'm the founder and CEO of JMGO 10 years ago. 当我的同行纷纷地投身于智能手机和 PC 的时候，我选择了投影仪。我是 Hollywood 的忠实观众，一直以来我的梦想都是能在舒服的家里面看一场大屏电影。于是我创立了 JMGO。我们的目标是把无与伦比的影音体验带到每位观众的家庭中。
Can you tell us more about U2?
Thank you so much for all your support. But I gonna go. 我要继续看电影了，让我们的产品经理 James 来给你介绍吧。James, come.
Okay, let me double check. 等一下。Hi fans, I'm James, a product manager at JMGO. You may wonder why we are launching another crowdfunding project on Kickstarter. The answer is we need more money. Or I'm just kidding. The real answer is you. During the 01 crowdfunding campaign, we had lots of feedback from everyone asking about the possibility of a laser TV with 4K resolution. As a company that actually listens to its user, we're back to make your dream come true. Now, we are proud to introduce the JMGO U2, a 4K tricolor laser TV. Because we are the new kicks on the block, we are desperate for those thumbs ups and subscribers just like every other YouTube channel. And also, please follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Believe me, it will totally make our day. Thank you so much for submitting your questions through our hashtag AskJMGO. We have picked a bunch of questions and we'll answer this throughout this video. Some of you have done some research and learned that we have launched U2 Pro only this year in China. So what's the difference between U2 and U2 Pro? The most significant difference is the look of the product, where you will find this pair of levitating stereo speakers and some extra smart features like smart gesture control, voice control, AI cameras that enable some interactive fitness experience. But I promise you that U2 is not anything less without the aforementioned features. We have brought the focus on creating the most optimal visual and audio experience. And not to mention, the price is a fraction of U2 Pro. Just remember to watch until the end of the price unveil. The unprecedented pandemic introduced us to a new way of living called work from home. We have all experienced how our working space and living space have already merged into one, making these critical spaces less defined than ever. JMGO cannot make work from home go away overnight, but we can turn W upside down to become movie from home. We can elevate your movie from home experience. Forget about watching on a laptop or watching on TV. We are talking about laser TV, 4K, tricolor, 100-inch screen, and surrounded sound stereo speakers that is going to beat any IMAX theater experience you will ever had. You may ask, what is the ideal setup? Today I'm gonna share with you how to set up your IMAX theater at home. You will need the following things. First, you will need a JMGO U2 4K tricolor laser TV. Second, you need to install an ambient light rejecting screen on the wall in a room that is at least 3.5 to 4 meters deep. Or, if space allows, you can have a designated media room that is up to 7 meters in depth. A few extra goodies like 3D glasses, a place to put your feet up, and a glass of wine are also helpful. Then, sit back, relax, and get ready for an incredible entertainment experience. Let's dive right into it. Open up the box and you will see another smaller box. Inside the box, we find a pair of rubber holders for positioning the product, a cable, and a remote. We have upgraded the remote control, so it's no longer dependent on the external batteries. You can charge the remote via the USB Type-C port, so you never have to worry about buying throwaway batteries again. Okay, now set the accessory aside. Let's remove the plastic cover and enjoy the grand unveil. Here is the JMGO U2 tricolor 4K laser TV. You can find these unique industrial design parts which are made of aluminum. Let's hear some ASMR to show you the material. This laser TV weighs 12.8 kilograms. You may place it on a normal TV cabinet, and we recommend placing it 9 inches away to enjoy a 100 inches screen view. Once you install the ALR screen, your room will instantly transform into a theater. The core value of a laser TV is the perfect balance of screen size, image, and audio, which together creates an immersive cinematic experience. First, let's break down the component that makes such stunning image quality. Thanks to the tricolor laser technology, JMGO U2 is equipped with a color range of BT2020. So what does BT2020 mean, and how much percentage of color gamut does it cover? It means it can achieve a color gamut of 114%, aka it can present 70% of the color gamut one can see with the naked eye. Compared with OLED screen, the 3 primary color illuminate into one micro mirror array, producing over 1 billion brighter, sharper, and more vivid color. Even 3D movies will be in a sharper color than ever before. And nothing feels more surreal than this. To a certain extent, viewers will get a picture that is so realistic they won't even know if they're looking at the screen or out the window. To be truly immersive, a stunning image has to complement a premium built-in surround sound system for a breathtaking theater experience. Co-created with Dynaudio and coupled with this exquisite symmetrical cone design, U2 ensures mesmerizing acoustics delivered to every corner of your space. This particular industrial design helps to evenly distribute the sound across the whole room. No matter where you sit in the room, you can always enjoy the best audio quality. Daytime movies are made possible with the 3600 ANSI lumens brightness plus HDR10 display. In a low-light environment, U2's brightness adjustment feature automatically adjusts by sensing the room's ambient lighting conditions. U2 also thoughtfully includes an eye protection mode that alerts you to instantly avoid looking directly at the laser light source. I'm not as active as my boss Will Wang, our Chief Product Officer. I usually stay at home and play video games on my days off. I play lots of games, FPS, Battle Royale, car racing, simulation, and many others. The JMGO wireless casting feature lets me play on a huge screen. U2 handles motion well with its 60Hz refresh rate and MEMC technology, which is perfect for the fast action of games. One of you have asked what's the lag time of U2. The lag time for gaming will be around 128 milliseconds. I would say the overall experience is still very immersive. This is the beta version of our Luna OS. You can enjoy mainstream apps like YouTube and Netflix. We also recommend users plug in a TV stick to enjoy more streaming video platforms that they prefer. If you're like me, constantly playing video games or often binging shows, your TV or laptops may have this annoying spinning noise. With U2, you will be able to enjoy a quiet and cool gaming and movie experience. Because we have got 5 silent running fans installed in the unit that will intelligently detect the temperature and decide when and how many fans to turn on to maintain optimum temperature. All this is done very quietly at less than 28 decibels. Currently, we are offering 1-year international warranty for our products. We have received a lot of feedback raising the importance of warranty. We feel the same about customer service, and we are working on upgrading the warranty, and we'll keep everyone posted. In spite of all the premium features of U2, we have managed to control the cost. Even though I joke about needing money, we are here to offer users quality products at an affordable price. The launch day special of U2 is $2,099. Combo deal with an ARR screen is $2,628. Now please support us and let JMGO U2 4K tricolor laser TV to empower your home theater experience. If you're wondering about when will the shipping start, would you have to wait for a while? The answer is we won't keep you waiting. We are working on finalizing the beta operating system for international users. Our product will be ready to ship out after our campaign is completed on Kickstarter. We will keep you posted throughout the campaign on our progress in each stage. Our team is working hard and striving for the perfection of the product, and your feedback is valuable to us. If you have questions, tag us at #JMGO on our social media channels. or comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.